Creation is way harder than duplication, and sometimes it just takes a little spark in order to ignite your creativity. Hey guys, Jesse here. Real quick, in 5 minutes or less, I'm going to talk with you about content creation, not utilizing AI specifically to create all of your content, but utilizing tools in order to originate the information that you need to have effective content. Meaning that if you're looking at a web page and you're drawing a blank, or you're looking at an email and you're drawing a blank, there's a really easy and effective way in order to originate content and or get you started. Again, creation is way harder than duplication, and sometimes it just takes a little spark in order to ignite your creativity. So we utilize a tool called Jasper. I'm going to show you an example project that we're utilizing for a company that does contract supplement manufacturing, and we're utilizing it in order to organize a tremendous amount of content on there. So what we do is we basically use a naming system that gives us the ability to easily know what it is that we're looking for. So we know this is a web project. The categories that we're creating is genres. As you can see here, we have CLA. If I go back, I can actually take a look at all the genres that have been built out. Another category that we're building out is formats or format. So this gives us the ability to actually create content very rapidly. And again, what I use this for is in order to help out with sparking the fire of creativity. So if you want to rapidly build content on a regular basis, and sometimes you feel creative, sometimes you don't, I would highly recommend leveraging an AI writing tool like Jasper. There's a lot of tools that are built into this. You can actually go in and utilize it for SEO purposes as well. But for this example, as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm actually utilizing it to organize all the pages, subpages, categories, subcategories, and things of that nature for one of our customers, BioCorp Nutrition Labs, that we're doing a web development project. So lots of, I'm in the process of moving all of our content that we wrote in Word document. And we use Grammarly in order to, take a look at, spelling, sentence structure and things like that. But when you're really in a place where you need to originate a tremendous amount of content in a very short period of time, I definitely highly recommend that you utilize Jasper, not only for the tools that they have. So let me take you into one of these and I'll give you an example. So this is probiotic is one of the genres, is one of their product genres. And of course, what we'll do is we'll come in and we'll type out, a product description. We'll do a little bit of research on it so that we can familiarize ourselves with this type of probiotic, or this type of genre of supplement or nutraceutical manufacturing. And then what we can do is we can come in here and we can, leverage things like hooks in regards to building out hooks that are associated with this. We can also come in here and leverage this tool here, which is the persuasive bullet tool. Of course, persuasive bullets are incredibly powerful when you're talking about organizing content and things of that nature. We have FAQ generators. Now, we know that from an SEO standpoint, FAQs are incredibly powerful. So in addition to the FAQs that we can originate through Jasper very rapidly, we also do a keyword map that gives us, for each one of our primary or root keywords, it gives us the most asked related questions online as well. So we can utilize our keyword map. We can utilize Jasper, Grammarly, and some of the other tools in order to ensure, grammatical effectiveness, spelling, sentence structure, and then also originating content like hooks, headlines, copy, and persuasive bullets. So Some really great information. Hopefully you found some value in that. If you have any questions, please meet me in the comments section. Until the next time we speak, make today and every day a fantastic day.